In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a task as in progress in ClickUp ClickFlow. Let's start from the top so everything is clear and easy to follow. Open ClickUp in your browser and sign in. When you land on your main dashboard, think of this as your mission control. This is where all your work lives: your spaces, your task lists, your views, and the tasks themselves. If you don't immediately see the sidebar on the left, click the sidebar icon to reveal it. You can also use a quick keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+/, to toggle it. The sidebar is where you'll navigate through your different spaces and lists, so keeping it visible for this walkthrough will make things straightforward. Take a moment to look through your spaces. A space is simply a top-level area that organizes a particular part of your work. Some teams create a space for each department, like marketing or development. Others set up spaces by client or project line. However you've structured things, choose the space where the task you're about to update belongs. For example, if you're working on a software initiative, open the space you use for software projects. After you click into a space, wait a moment for the page to load. ClickUp may be fetching your recent lists and views, and giving it a second ensures that everything displays correctly. Now, make sure you're in the right view. For this quick flow, switch to the list view if you're not already there. List view is a clean way to see all your tasks in a simple scrollable table. It shows essential columns like task name, assignee, due date, and the one we're focusing on today, status. Click the list view option at the top of your screen if it isn't already highlighted. If you prefer board view, that will also work for updating statuses, but list view tends to make the status column very easy to spot and interact with, which is great for a fast workflow. Before we change any statuses, you can pause for a second to review the status setup for the list. ClickUp lets you customize status names and colors to match your process. If someone on your team has created statuses like to do, in progress, in review, and complete, you'll see them here. Many teams keep it simple with to do for not started, in progress for active work, and complete for done. If you see a status name you'd prefer to change, you can edit it later. But there's no need right now. Sticking with the default or existing names is perfectly fine for this walkthrough. Next, let's look at adding a new task, just so you can see the full experience from creation to updating the status. In List View, click Add Task. A task row or a small create window will appear, depending on your setup. Give your task a clear, descriptive name. Keep it to the point so it's easy to scan in the list later. Add any quick details if you need them, but don't worry about filling everything in right now. We'll keep our focus on the status workflow. When you're done naming it, save the task. That save step is important. Your task won't appear in the list until it's saved. If you accidentally navigate away or click out before saving, just reopen the Add Task option and enter it again. Once you click Save, the new task appears in your list.